So one thing that I cannot have is bare walls. I knew I wanted to fill my walls up with artwork from the jump, so I got this abstract painting. It was actually gifted to me by my mom, but I love that it matches my color scheme, and I just think the abstract can be better than just like a landscape picture, but you get whatever you want. Art is art, honey. Okay, so in terms of bedding, I did go with gray with kind of a blue accent. I just felt like that would kind of mesh well with the gray walls without being too much gray. I have a lot of different variations of gray in my room. I love, love, love my bedside table or nightstand, whatever you want to call it, but I kind of wanted to go for simplicity here, like a minimal, like non-clutter space that I can have right next to my bed that looks super cute. So I just got that wired basket you saw at the bottom from Walmart, and then really I just kind of decorated with like plants and little stuff I had around the house. I think things look a lot more tidy when it's minimalistic. There's not a lot of junk going on top, so I really just have the plant, the wire basket, and my remotes. I love my plants. I didn't even think I was going to be a plant person, but ever since I added these plants to my room just feels so much more open. I love the colors. I just love what it adds to the aesthetic, and I definitely would say adding plants to your room is definitely just the best thing in the world, and you should do it. So I'm quite proud of myself. I really knew I wanted to paint this summer, so I went ahead and made myself a little painting station. I just basically transformed the old vanity I had that I never used, and I was like, oh, this corner of the room is kind of blank, there's nothing going on. I just got a bunch of supplies from Walmart, and this is now my painting station. Alright, so this is kind of my vanity wall section, whatever you want to call it, but I got this rug from Walmart. Again, I was afraid I was doing way too much with the gray in this room, but I got different variations of gray, and I feel like that adds some dimension to the room. That's me. And then also, I love these photos that I have lining my mirror. So my best friend actually gifted this for me. I'm pretty sure you can get it at Marshall's, or these do light up. I just have yet to put batteries in them. But I just love the idea of having like photos lining the wall. I just think that it's really cute, and it kind of adds to your room, makes it a bit more personable. And y'all, I got these mirrors for $6 at Walmart. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, balling on a budget, man. Alright, so here is my amazing bookcase. Just kidding, it's not that amazing, but it's coming together slowly but surely. So on this first level, I haven't really put much here. I plan to fill it up with like a bunch of more plants. Fake or real doesn't really matter to me. This little piglet I got from Marshall's. I don't know why, I just did. The second layer, as you can see, I have some potted plants and then just some baskets with books in them, journals. I really put the things that I read and write in every day in those top ones. And then on this level, I kind of just have all the other books that I don't read. These right here save my life. Storage containers are my godsend. I mean, my room would be so cluttered and junky if I didn't have them. I also use this rack to put all my purses on. So in case you're wondering where all my junk is, it's in my closet and in those storage boxes. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for my little roomy tour today. I hope this at least inspired somebody, if not helped you. Please be sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.